Welcome to the Master Cars Pro channel. Today we'll talk about the problems and weaknesses of Volvo V70. When the Volvo V70 estate pitched up in 1996, it wasn't really a new car, but a facelifted version of the old 850 with softer, rounder looks inside and out. Mind you, that's no bad thing because the 850 was a well-proven family wagon, even if it can match the Mercedes E-Class estate for outright low space. The hard-wearing interior, which has great seats up front and has plenty of room for the family and comes with an integral rear child seat, anti-lock brakes, driver's airbag and side airbags were standard on launch models, but the passenger airbag was an option. The V70's particular strength as a settled and very stable car in the waterway, but it also handles pretty well on twisty roads and there's a genuinely involving feel. The only disappointment is that the ride, especially for a family car, can feel firm around town. The high-performance T5 and R are fun and cheap to run if someone else is paying for the fuel and the tires. Use all the power and you'll be lucky to get anywhere near 20 mpg, while the hard-driven manual version can also kiss goodbye to a set of front tires within 7,000 miles. The 2.5-liter diesel can treat its front tires just as harshly because of its muscular pulling power and the instant nature of its delivery. At least with the diesel you have the compensation of 40 mpg and much lower insurance costs. Most models require servicing every 10,000 miles, and as this generation V70 is long since out of warranty, there's no point going to a Volvo dealer. Instead, use one of the many Volvo specialists who are often former Volvo diesel dealers. Board suspension can be a problem with highly mileage Volvo V70s. Unless you know what you're looking for, you have someone check the car out for you, especially if you intend to carry a lot of cargo or tow. The performance versions and the diesels, it can be very hard on their brake pads, so ask for proof of when they were last changed before handing over any cash. Hard work, high mileage T5S and RS are best avoided as engine and turbo problems may be only a few miles down the road. The 2.5 turbo diesel can cause expense too, and new timing belts are needed soon after 55,000 miles. There have also been reports of faults with air conditioning units and electrical components, and recalls to deal with possible headlamp failure and the risk of the passenger airbag going off unexpectedly. Trying to untangle the huge variety of engines, trims and option packs is trickier than unraveling last year's Christmas tree lights, so we'll cut to the chase. A 140 bhp 2.5 TDI turbo diesel comes top of our wish list. Strong and punchy, it's perfect if the car is fully laden or towing. Other engines include two 2.0 liter petrols rated at 126 bhp and 143 bhp, two 2.4 liter petrols rated at 140 bhp and 170 bhp, and a 195 bhp, and a 2.3 liter turbo with 4-wheel drive. There's also one 2.3 liter to 25 bhp T5, while fastest of all is the 250 bhp 2.3 T5R. Cars with the optional estate pack are especially worth hunting down because they have not only roof rails and a luggage net, but also self-leveling rear suspension. Choosing SE, you'll get alloy wheels, aircon, and a sunroof, while CD specification gives you climate control and leather. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that'll help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.